Oreo actually forgot who I was.
Okay? Don't worry, I'll let you come to me. Hey, boy. Oreo. I'll let you come to me. There you go. I'm a friend, remember? Remember, I'm a friend. I ain't foul. I'm not your enemy, Oreo, okay? I'm a good guy.